Artificial intelligence is a big topic right now. It's a hot topic. Everyone's kind of, reviewing it, discussing it, trying to figure out, how does it fit into their organizations and all sorts of things. And I think one of the things that, people really have to start to discuss is the impact it will have. I think from a cultural standpoint here at IMI, we view AI as a tool in our toolbox. And we look at it as a technology that we can deploy to really engage, with our technicians that are out there. We've got over 1,000 technicians spread across North America doing all sorts of really cool things. And how can, we make sure that Steve out in Oklahoma is getting the attention that he deserves? We've created a sort of a sentiment analysis within our AI platform. And what I mean by that is really simple, is Rhonda reaches out on a weekly basis and says, hey Steve, scale of 1 to 5, how's your week going? From a click of a button, I can connect with over 1,000 of our technicians, find out who's having a great week, who's having a bad week, scale it on a scale of 1 to 5, triage the ones right away and say, oh my God, what's wrong? What can we do to help you out? Like, is there a big issue or did you happen to press the wrong button? And at the same time, congratulate our 5s and say, hey, great job. Glad you're enjoying the work. Keep it up. Let us know what we can do. So AI, in the standpoint of IMI, is a very powerful tool. And we're having so much fun with it right now. By no means are we decreasing our labor force. If anything, we're expanding it. Skilled trades has never been at an all-time low. AI, what it does is it's this artificial assistant that can really help the technicians that are out there. Now, Steve can just click a button, say, hey, Rhonda, I have a problem. And Rhonda will triage the problem, get the right person on the phone, and make sure that the technician's there real time. It's certainly a very exciting time for our organization. We're looking to leverage it as best as we can. We certainly see it as an asset. We definitely don't classify it as a threat. And if anything, our workers appreciate the fact that, we're asking them how they're doing. We're connecting with them. We're providing them more real-time resources on demand when it's needed. I think that with organizations scaling as fast as they are, with companies needing more and more skilled labor to install the really cool things that they build, really aligns itself well with the mission and values of IMI. IMI is a global people company. We're in the business of developing and building the greatest technicians that are out there that can come to your facility or go to an installation site and have all the tools required in order to get the job done on time and on budget. We couldn't be happier. We think that Rhonda's the next thing, and go Rhonda.